So let's fill these things a little bit. So this thing called mock API.io. You can create your own account here. Let's log in. Let's sign in with GitHub. And here we are. Now let's create a new project, next crash course. And API can be /API1 /API/version1. Let's also create it. And this is our project. This is going to give us an API point. Now this API point, by the time this video is out, will not be available. So create your own. Here we will have two resources. One is new resources, and then we can say users. This works. Let's simply create it. And then if I go to this and type users, you will find that this is also empty. So now I can just simply create 10 users. Data is generated. If you refresh, reprint, you will find, yes, we have everything right here. Now I will simply copy paste this entire thing because I want to keep it as local as possible. I will come back to here, and here I will simply copy paste this. This will also make sure that we are not fetching it from here. Now, if you want to fetch it from here, that is also fine. I just simply want everything to be as local as possible. Similarly, let's have another resource, and for this, let's call it articles. I will do here is say title. Faker.js is fine, and for the title, we can say lorem.words. Under the title, we have description. Let's go with lorem.sentences. Sentence is fine, one sentence. Then let's have content, which is going to be lorem.paragraphs. We already have the created at, so let's also have something called image, and this image can be faker, and this can be image abstract. And for our purpose, this should do it. It's not like we are going to do much. Let's also have category, because why not? And this could be this, and this could be simply lorem.word. I think this is enough. Let's create it. Let's also make it as 10. Let's go here, make sure that we are copy pasting the right thing. And here we go. Let's copy paste it to articles. We have pretty much everything that we require locally for now. For this, it's extremely local. So let's call it localhost 5500. And then let's have our next public app URL. And this is going to be localhost 3000. Come back to this public folder name images. And within that, let's have two more folders called users and articles. Why I'm doing this is because I also want to make sure that I teach you how to upload the files when we go to the form server actions later, right? So I want to keep as much things as locally as possible. If you want, you can just digress to another solutions. So now we need at least 10 user profile pictures and at least 10 article images. All right, we are back. I have renamed everything from article-1 to article-10, and I have done what I wanted to do. Article 1 to 10 inside articles and users 1 to 10 inside users folder. I have also changed the db.json to have this image URL pointing towards our local host, and that setting is now done. So if I go back to my Google, you will see that I can access it after localhost 3000 / images / users / user1.jpg. You will also find that every single image is a JPEG image. Cool. Not to mention, the articles are actually quite big, like a lot bigger. Some even are 6.92 MB, 1.45 MB. Let's see, this is even 15.67 MB. Cool. So they are like a lot bigger. The reason being that I want to also showcase in this crash course how to optimize the images and entire web page as well. Now our setup for this entire course is done. both the front end and the back end. From the next moment onwards, we will look into routing.